Hello bookworms. Today we're going to show you our Christmas recommendations. Right.
Me all excited about.
You're excited?
Yeah.
About, what are you excited about? Christmas books. Christmas books. And we wanted to share with you some of our favourites. Christmas book number 1 is Bear Stays Up for Christmas. I Love You, Father Christmas. Next book. Just reading her Christmas books. Monster Christmas. Merry Christmas, Big Hungry Bear. Fancy Dress Christmas. And she likes this one because it has little cutouts.
That is the angel.
Oh,
That is the angel.
the cat is an angel.
Yeah.
Agatha likes that one.
Oh.
The Christmas Extravaganza Hotel.
It's the end.
Is that the end? Oh, should we do this one? Oh, Christmas Tree. Can you recommend your 2 favourite books? So, which 2? There's more. Do you like? Let's put those 2. So, what about this one? This one?
No, this one, that one.
What about this one?
No.
This one?
No.
This one? Not this one. Oh, I'm surprised. This one? So we've narrowed it down to 4. Which 2 are your favourites?
That one and that one.
So our Christmas recommendations are Merry Christmas, Big Hungry Bear, and Oh Christmas Tree. Tree at this house. No wreath upon its door. Whatever can be going on at number 34. They're running for their lives. Is it a bird? Is it a cat? Is it a monster? Is it a hat? Who could be chasing them? What could it be? Well, below me down, it's a Christmas tree. That's a good one. So that's Oh Christmas Tree and Merry Christmas, Hungry Bear. Hello, little mouse. I see you're ready for Christmas. Are you ready for Christmas? Are we ready for Christmas? Yeah? My goodness, what a lot of presents. Are they all for you? Do you think all those presents are for Mouse?
Yeah.
Do you? So, we thought we'd show you our advent calendars as they're a great alternative to chocolate because we have book advent calendars. Agatha, you're so cheeky. Do you want to show them your advent calendar, Agatha? That's yours. And this is Imogen's. So Imogen's got the big one. And Agatha's got the little one. Imogen's is Disney and Agatha's is Peppa Pig. Right, which one should we open first? This one?
Yeah.
We need to find the number 1. Can you take the book out? Take it out. And that's the book for December the 1st. Oh, go on then. She's ripping it. Oh, wow!
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse! Mickey and Minnie. Mickey's Christmas Carol. You love little books, don't you?
Yes, so my dad did the book.
So you can collect them all and you can read a different story every night in December. And this was a nice Christmas one. And there's lots of different stories to get. These are some of all the different stories. Yeah, you can have a look, Agatha. And this is it inside. And it's a little story. And we'll show you Agatha's as well. Agatha got Peppa Pig, didn't she?
Yeah, me got that one.
You got Disney.
Yeah, I got Disney.
You did, because you like Mickey Mouse and she loves Frozen. And it has Frozen in there. So if you see, there's inside, there's some Frozen books. And Imogen also loves princesses And who else? There's Toy Story. There's quite a few Frozen, which is good. And what else is that? And Imogen loves Minnie Mouse. You can see all the different characters. So who's that?
Anna.
Anna, and who's that?
Elsa.
Elsa. We like them, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's loads of different Disney characters. Agatha loves Peppa Pig. So we open up hers. This is Agatha's one. So this one comes with lots of different books, Peppa Pig books. And hers has books on the front, inside, and on the back. So we need to find the number 1. Can you find the number 1 for Agatha? There it is. And who's that on the number 1? Who's dressed up as an elf?
George.
George! So the number 1 is George dressed up as an elf. Ooh, George. Should we open? Yes, Agatha, you do it. You gonna help Mummy?
Yeah.
Here we go. A cold winter day. And inside is a little mini Peppa book. So we're going to read our books now. What type of advent calendar did you get this year? Or have you even made your own? Which one do you like best? Do you like Minnie or Peppa? Which one? I hope you enjoy your advent calendar.
It's never.
Hello! We're going to make snow globes. We've got jars for us, and we have loads of different things. We have little figures. That one. Okay, who wants to open? Which one do you want? I just want to open them. And we're going to put lots of little things in our snow globes. We're going to put some snow, glitter. We've got different types of glitter for different ones. We're going to wait for him to dry. I've glued them on. We're going to make a snow globe. Now for our snow globe, we're going to need some snow. And these will make really good Christmas presents. Are we doing? We're putting the snow in?
Yeah.
Good job. Would you like any glitter in this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Me want red glitter.
You'd like some red glitter, and Agatha, do you want some yellow? So we'll put some red in there. Oh, here comes all the gems. All the sparkles. Wow.
Now some to this.
Oh, Agatha's doing that, isn't she?